In this video, I'll show you how to block people on WhatsApp. It's a very simple method that works on iPhone, Android, Samsung, and any other device. Let's get into it. Step 1. Open WhatsApp. First, open the WhatsApp application on your phone. Step 2. Find the person you want to block. Go to your Chats tab and locate the conversation with the person you want to block. Tap on the chat to open it. Step 3. Access their contact info. At the very top of the screen, you'll see the person's name. Tap on it to open their contact information page. Step 4. Scroll down and select Block. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the screen. You'll see two options, Block and Report. Tap on Block. Step 5. Choose Block or Block and Report. A confirmation menu will appear with the following information. This person will not be able to message or call you. They will not know you've blocked or reported them. If you choose Block and Report, the last 5 messages in this chat will be sent to WhatsApp for review. You have two choices: Block, to simply block the contact; Block and Report, to block the contact and help WhatsApp improve spam detection. Important privacy note: WhatsApp does not send any notification to the person you've blocked. They will not be alerted or informed in any way. That's it. The contact is now blocked. You can repeat this process for as many people as you want. If you ever change your mind, you can unblock them later by going to Settings, Privacy, Blocked Contacts, and removing them from the list. If this tutorial helped you, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech guides. Thanks for watching.